So the idea was to share with the other insurer the experience we had with Finologee by using the KYC management platform. So the idea was to explain the POC we had with one of our main partners and then how we deploy that to other partners this year.
The idea of the RegTech series number 2 was to bring together the community of insurers in Luxembourg and bring them some content around KYC, around the Circular 1809, but also to make sure that we could create the atmosphere for nice networking and tasting our gin.